Hello and welcome to Astoria, and we have a studio apartment for rent. More like a room. Studio apartment priced at $1225, one block from the 30th Avenue station, very close and very efficient to get to Manhattan. You'll get to Manhattan in less than 20 minutes. So that's why it's here. It's very close. It is one of the most efficient apartments in New York City. And it is priced at $1225. It will go fast. So if you want it, come and get it. You can see that it's small. I know you can see that. But you get what you pay for. Don't forget that. So if you can make use of it, give me a call. 646-820-6307. Thank you and have an amazing day. No pets, by the way. Yeah. No pets, no dogs, no cats. None of that. Oh, cats, yes, but no dogs. Yeah, that's what I forgot. Have a good one.